So just because the digital proofs only go so far, I do like making you some visual samples that you can see. This, of course, does not reflect the finished product. It doesn't reflect final materials and whatnot, as you can tell from the white border on this particular card. But it will help you visualize the different components, hopefully a little bit better. So on the left is the invitation that you think you might work for you, which is the printed gold gradient on the border. So that's there for reference. The top one, I believe, was number 1 in the previous form, except it was in white. All the gold was in white. And so you wanted to explore the possibility of gold color on it. So that's what it would look like. Now, all of this would be printed on white cardstock, so the back of it would be the white color. But just for consideration, I just thought I would include this particular sample with the back of it printed with your logo in the gold as well. So that would be just another option. Now, number 2 was this one, except on the form it was all in white with black lettering. So I do love the fact that you suggested to see this in black background with all the white font. I love how sleek it looks. It looks very modern. I think for me this would be my number 1. I just love how it looks. Now, second on my list would be this one, because again, it is simple, and the paper that I used is the one that is reflected on the digital proof. But now that you can see, hopefully with the reflection, the paper is actually metallic. It's not glitter. I know you're not fond of glitter, but this gives it just a little bit of pearlescent shimmer. So it just gives it a little bit of oomph without actually, using a glitter paper. So anyway, I just wanted you to consider those. Okay. Now, having said that, I want to make sure that you see the option of obviously the vellum, which is what we've been considering so far. But I went ahead and printed just a simple white with black font. This one was really the inspiration just to provide this particular sample because of the simplicity. So there's that. And in my opinion, this would go really well with either of these two.